In my opinion, the military assistance to Ukraine from the United States is very overestimated, because their greatly praised ATGMs and grenade launchers, those Javelins and NLAWs, which were advertised a lot, proved to be not so effective in practice. We suffered from misfires constantly. Only one of the 4 launches was successful. Often, the projectiles didn't explode on contact, or they exploded before reaching the target. Most ATGMs had expired batteries. Long past expiration dates were printed on many batches. We passed mainly theoretical training in the operating these weapons. Most of the NLAW missiles had misfires in the practical firing. The terms of training were shortened, and no one paid attention to misfires. These ATGMs were not tested in combat operations, and no one took these misfires seriously during training.